Okay, so here are the rules for designing the bonuses. So there's really like 4 different types. So the first one is if it has like a sales page with graphics, and that's the bonus. Then what you want to do is take a screenshot of the main headline, then show either the main video, or if they have a demo video, usually the demo video is better to show. And then take a screenshot of the main features of it, or if there's no main features that it's showing, then the steps to make it work. So for example, if the bonus was AK booster, and you knew the sales page was this, then what you want to do is take a screenshot of this first headline here, and then you want to show, in this case, the video right after it. Then you want to do is you want to go through this page and look for where it's talking about kind of the main benefits. So if we go through here, you can see that now starting to talk about the different benefits. So there's like so usually say like here's the AK booster's powerful core features, or we'll say something about features. So then you want to take a screenshot from here until it stops talking about those main features, and it goes to like another section like frequently asked questions, or talking about something where you're buying it. And then you just want to paste it like this, where we have white label rights to AK booster. Here's the main headline, and there's that video, and then here's the features it was talking about, right, like that. Then also, now if it's a theme, what you want to do is you want to get the description of the theme first that's talking about it, usually from Theme Forest, or if you can't find it on Theme Forest, then type it into Google and search that way to try to find where it's located. Then put like a quick description of what the theme does, and then show an example of the theme. Now usually you can get this from searching Google Images, or an image of the entire theme from Google Images. So for example, if it says Aries theme, then usually all these themes are usually found in themeforest.net. Okay, so in this case, if you don't find it in Theme Forest and it doesn't seem like it's coming up, then go to Google, type in that, and then we see that this one in this case is in WordPress.org. And then we can get a quick description right here of it. So that's where we'll get the description. And then usually what you can do is sometimes they'll show it on Theme Forest. So say for example, here it is right here. I was spelling it wrong. So it's ARES. Then we scroll down and we can get the description here. Now if you go to Live Preview and you try to take a screenshot of it, then a lot of times if you take a screenshot of the entire theme, sometimes it won't let you, sometimes it will, but then sometimes the screenshot won't come out right. So then what you have to do is go to google.com and then images, and then type in the theme, and then search for it so we see that that's the same one, it's matching. And then try to get an image where it's bigger than 600 by 409. Like if it's something like 300 by 200, then it's going to be really small. So if you can find like a full screen capture of the image, that's good. But if you can't find it, then just find one that like this, where it's kind of half the theme, but the image is pretty big, and then get the image from here. And then if we go to I think this one was in Blog Fusion. This is where our description would go, and then here is that picture that we found. Now here's another one, after night theme. So we want to go to theme forest again. Click on it so we can see what it looks like. We can try to get a live preview of it and try to take the screenshot this way, but if it won't let us do that, sometimes it doesn't, then go to Google Images and then try to find the best screenshot of it that we can. So here's one, or one that makes it look good, that's pretty big. Like this one might be good here. That's it's still big, so it looks like it's not too small that they can't see. All right, so now if it comes from GPL plugins or Code Canyon, then what you want to do is search for the title in Code Canyon, and then show the main image or the main screenshot of it. If it says something in Code Canyon about the image, then try to edit that out if you can. Then get the main description of it, like what it's about. Now, if the description is very long, then just try to get the main benefits or how it works. And then show a screenshot of the plugin in use that you can find from the Code Canyon page that it's on, or again from Google Images. So for example, if the GPL bonus was the coming soon countdown plugin, then we want to go to codecanyon.net. Then type in the name. And then we find it, so we see what it looks like. So this is the main image here, what it's like. So we'd want to take this image here, click on it, or try to drag it. Now if we can't click on it, or you can't take a screenshot of it without getting this dark thing, then what you want to do is search in Google Images. And then here's the actual image that we can use. Then what you want to do is get a description here. Now as you can see, they already did a lot of the work. So what we can do in this case is it already kind of has the features here. Now you don't want to have anything about Invanto Marketplace or anything like that. So it says main features, so we would just copy and paste these, or you can take a screenshot to save time. And then finally we want kind of show it in use. So here they've already done this for us, where they have they showed like 2 different layouts or what it looks like. So what you could just do is copy this and then copy this image, or just take a screenshot starting at the main features and take a screenshot of it in use over here. Now if they don't do that, a lot of times they'll have it on the description, but if they don't have that, then you can go to like live preview, and sometimes they'll give you previews that you can take a screenshot of. And if they still don't have that, then you can always search in Google Images again for it, like they have this one here that you could use. And then what it looks like is
Hey, Ben.
Right here, there's the main image, then there's the benefits, and then here's the final image. Then if it's from WordPress.com/plugins, what you want to do is show the main headline image, kind of just like the Code Canyon one or the GPL one. What you want to do is try to cross some of this out or make it look different, so it doesn't look like they know that they're going to be getting it every time from WordPress for free. So try to make it a little bit different, the main headline image. then get the description of it in the description section, and then go to the screenshot section and copy and paste some of the screenshots of it. So for example, Facebook Messenger for WordPress, what you want to do is go to Google for WordPress plugins, click this link, and it is called Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger for WordPress. So then we're going to click that. And then what we want to do is take a screenshot of this main image here first. And then we want to go down and copy and paste the description of what it does right here in the description. And then finally go to screenshots and then copy this image here, or drag and drop it to upload onto the thing. And then what it looks like is this. Okay, so main image here, description, and then screenshot image of what it does to here. And then finally, for the design section above the bonuses, like what it talks about the thing we're actually promoting, what you want to do is go to the sales page preview, and then look for the main benefits or description of what the product does, take a screenshot of it, and then post the demo video, not the main sales video, right below that. So for example, if this was the sales page preview for something called Sprout Audience. So we want to go here, and we want to just look for those main benefits or features. And if we can't find main benefits or features, then like some sort of example of it showing how, like step 1, how it works and things like that. So if we couldn't find any main benefits, then what we can do for a backup is use this where it shows the screenshot of it, and then it says step 1 you do this, step 2 you do this, step 3 you do this. But if we keep going, then we can see here, okay, here's where it's going to talk about the different features. So Facebook video or embed videos, and then it shows how it works. Then here's another feature. And then it goes right down to actually the demo video. So what we want to do is go up here and take a screenshot of this down to see exactly how Sprout Audience is going to increase your profits, and then embed this video. Now, if it's not a YouTube video, I don't really know how to embed it, so you're just going to have to not have the video come up. So what it looks like is
Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, well, no, because you say someone
is so right under the countdown clock, here's our screenshot that we took, and then here is the demo video you can watch.